Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukascopy webinar YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. This is our daily program that we do on Monday to Friday from 1700 Greenwich Mean Time. Today is 26th of September 2023. The day is Tuesday. I'm a Dukascopy trading community member. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukascopy Bank because I'm not an employee of Dukascopy Bank. All the views or opinions or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss here in this live stream are of my own. They have nothing to do with the Dukas Cup Bank. And because we know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart, so we'll talk about only the charts here and the technical trading only. We'll not be talking about anything that is fundamental in nature. So please bear this with me because everything is already priced into the chart. So you have everything in front of you. So we'll not talk about anything else. Okay, guys. Now, what we are going to do in few minutes is that we'll be looking for the key levels of interest for all the instruments that we see on our chart, and we'll see how we can use those key levels in our trading setups. We have been doing this from last year August. There are playlists for made by this name only, Forex Trading with Rakesh, or you can say Technical Live Trading, and you please go through those videos. It will really help you in understanding what we are talking about here, and you can make a very good use of those videos in understanding the concept that we use to initiate the trades and make maximum profits and risking very less on each trade. Also, at the end of the session, I'll be answering the questions from the viewers, so please keep asking questions in the chat box that is provided on the right side of the video. And lastly, whatever I say in this live stream is only for information or knowledge purpose. You should not use it as a trading advice because this is not a trading advice. Do your own research before you put your money on the line. Before wasting any time, I want to just start with the today's first chart. But before that, I must show you the risk disclaimer because we are talking about the forex markets and the commodity market. Both these markets involve risks, and that risk we have to uh, know beforehand before we venture into all this. All right, so the first thing first, the first chart of the day, as usual, we do it every day. This is the dollar index. US dollar index, guys, is a must chart on your screen when you open your day. Okay, so here we can see that there was a good channel that was being followed to the downside, but here this channel was broken after certain resistance. After the breakout, the price came back to test this level as the fresh support, and thereafter it is only rising. So that can be seen that this is a breakout to the upside, and this was the high from where we were looking for this channel to develop. So this high is now taken out. So what is next now, guys? This high is the next now. 107.12 is next, provided we see a close above 105.85 level. The price right now, this is Thursday, and the price is still trading at 105.85 level, which is the key resistance area. So anything can happen here. Even the price can reverse from here, or the price can stay here. Well, that depends on whether it is able to go higher than this previous high, or it is just coming back below this low on the shorter time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. We need to know whether the price holds this support or not. Okay, that's one thing. So for me, from the daily point of view, 105.85 is now the crucial resistance. Okay, that is already hit on our this chart. And for support, if you have to find, guys, the dollar index, the support is very far, which is 104.32. Let's talk about the euro. I think we have discussed it earlier also, that euro now has the next stop at 1.0515. The price right now is trading at 1.0569. There is no support on the way down, so expect the price to reach directly to 1.0515, where we will be expecting some support because this level has been an area of interest in the past here. So I think we can see some profit booking here close to 1.0515. Also 1.0500 is also a psychological handle, that is 1.5 of the dollar. Okay, so of the euro. So now even if the price starts rising from here, 1.0635 should act as a good resistance for the price to for the price in the coming time. So 1.0635 is the resistance, 1.0515 is the support. Now pound, we had discussed here that pound may be sold very soon in a very fast way, because we are expecting 1.1802 in this market, and the price has already moved very fast in that direction. The support was around 1.21989, which has already been taken out today, and now this level should start acting as a resistance if the price approaches this level from the bottom. So what you can expect now here is something like this. Okay, something like this. This is what you should be expecting. So if the price goes to this area, you should see that this will start acting as a resistance. All right, guys. So now for us, the immediate level of resistance will be 1.2189, and the support is 1.2009 in this market. Talking about the Australian dollar, yes, we are expecting the Australian dollar to rise in the coming days, and yes, there is a buying, but if the price for some reason goes below 0.6356, then we will be looking for the lower prices in this market also. Although as of now the Australian dollar is trading good with respect to the US dollar, and in the near future I am expecting higher prices in the Australian dollar, but this price action right now is not suggesting the same. Okay, so for me now the resistance is 0.6416, the support is 0.6356. USD JPY, we have taken all the targets that were required to be taken in this market. Yesterday we gave even a higher close than the value of resistance that we had marked on our chart, and today the price has found support on that level. If you look at the 1 hour closely, then you will see that the price has tried to find support in this region. This is a big hint that higher moves are possible. So if the price trades above this high, that is 149.18, once if it trades higher than that, that will cause I will say um, bear trap. Those who want to sell the market here, their stop losses will be triggered, and I think then prices will go beyond 151.94 area also. USD CAD, very nice move today, finally broke this channel to the upside. Now from here you see there is no resistance whatsoever till 1.3650 area. So yes, if the price gives us a close above 1.3514 area, then we can look for buying this market with a target on 1.3669 and even higher to 1.3804 also. Similar is the case for USD CHF. The price is taking higher levels, and this high around on 31st of May is being taken off. And if that high is taken out, then I think the next level that we have to see is this high, then this high, then this high, and then this. So you can target 0.9439 in this market. As you can see from this pull, that this up move is very brisk. US dollar is rising against the Swiss franc in a very nice manner. So expect a small pullback and then again a rise towards 0.9439 in the USD against the Swiss franc. Silver, we have discussed it day before yesterday and yesterday also, that yes, it is finding some resistance. Support for this silver is 22.21 and the resistance is around 23.78 in the coming time. No changes. The gold also, I think there must be no change. 1900. We have discussed about it that if the price gives us a close below 1900, then I don't think that we should be looking for buying this market, and this will be a good breakdown to the downside. 1858 will be exposed if we trade below 1884. So on the upside now resistance is 1930, the support is right now where the price is trading, that is 1900 levels. Below this the price may find some support at 1884 level, below which it's in the 1885, sorry, 1858 will be exposed in this market. Now looking at the RSI below 38 is suggesting that a lot of sell off in the gold is possible in the coming time. Brent is doing good, is trying to give us a bullish pin bar today and also a bullish engulfing. Well, will that succeed? We don't know yet. We are expecting the Brent to come back to 90 level before we see a good support for the price to reverse from there, which may extend the prices toward 96.92 and 99.53. Right now, I don't want to buy this market because this is not sufficient for me to have favorable price action. Bitcoin, no movement whatsoever. This falling channel is resistance. This horizontal level, that is 24,889, is the support. Ethereum also no movement, no much movement. This falling channel resistance line is the resistance, and this horizontal level of 1529 is the support. Guys, I'm trying to do it quickly because there is nothing much coming up here. But yes, in the euro dollar, there is something. I think we have talked about this yesterday also, that if the price trades below 1.6454, then our level of 1.6222 will be exposed in this market. When I say this, that means how you have to trade this, how you can look to trade this. When the price goes below this, don't sell it here, don't sell it here, no, wait for the price to come back to this area. Here you can even initiate a direct order, or you can wait for the price to show you something like bearish engulfing, or maybe a bearish pin bar, something like this, or something like this. Okay, then you initiate a trade, keep a stop loss higher than the high of that candle, and then target the recent low that the price has made. So this is what you have to do. So if the price comes down from here, then you have to sell this market. Okay, this is your selling price. All right, guys. For this 1.6454 is the immediate support. The resistance is at around 1.6893. Australian dollar against the New Zealand has given away all these profits that it had taken. Now New Zealand dollar is stronger going than Australian dollar. So now resistance for us is 1.0779. This area should act as a very good resistance if the price somehow is able to manage to come to this area. Here you should be selling this market with a small stop loss higher and targeting first 1.0721 and later on 1.0559 this market. This can be a very good trade in the coming time. All right, the trade of the year, like I told you, that GBP AUD, we are sellers in this market, and this should keep going down. First target is 1.8850, second target is 1.8490, third target is 1.7221. These all targets are there on the way, but it may take more than a year for these prices to be taken out. But yes, we have seen a move and we entered it very quickly. So that's what is more important. All right, for the GBP AUD right now, the resistance is 1.9285 area and the support is 1.8850. So keep an eye on these two levels before you, switch trade or take some profit out of this market. USA 30, well, we have gone below this falling channel. That means the sell-off is real, and 33,597 may get some sellers to get out of the market by booking profits. But eventually, even if the price rises from that sell-off, then 34,024 should be acting as a good resistance, where the sellers will again enter the market with a target of 32,634. So keep an eye on these two levels. 34,024 on the upside is the resistance. 33,597 is the support for this market. CAD CHF, very good price action. 0.6831 is the resistance that we are looking for. I think somebody should be looking for booking the profits there. But if you look at a bigger picture, then it's like a cup, and there is a possibility of forming that handle here. So if there is a cup and handle breakout, this is the generally target that people take. So in case that happens, then you will have approximate target of around 381 points, and 381 points from the breakout is like 7.7213 area. So this is a potential target if the price breaks out of this 0.6831 after a pullback to the downside of 0.6730. So keep an eye, there's a potential cup and handle forming here in this market. GBP CAD, a lot of sell off, guys, a lot of sell off. But today, I think this is because of the Canadian dollar's weakness that the price has managed to go higher a bit. But don't be so happy from this price action of this green candle, because this may go away when the price meets this area here. This area is a very crucial area of resistance, and expect a price to send back to 1.6238 if the price meets this area in the coming time. Okay, for now, for us, the resistance right now is 1.6537 to 1.6588 area, and the support is around 1.6238 and 1.6071 in this market. USA Tech, we call it Nasdaq also. If it drops below 14,549, then this level will be exposed. Which level I'm talking about? Let me show you that. This level will be exposed, and this level is very close to this level. So you can keep both these levels on the screen, and also the next level will be this one. Yes, guys, 14,207 area will be exposed in this market if you see trading below 15,549. On the upside, we have resistance at 14,713. Actually, this is not the resistance now. Now the resistance is around 14,783. All right. Actually, not this one also. Actually, the resistance is 14,860. Guys, I'm about to finish the webinar. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask the question in the webinar's chat box section. And otherwise, if you have any particular pair that you want me to check out for you, you can write about that also. So AUDJPY, like I mentioned earlier also, we are bullish in this one, but Australian dollar is falling a great map. So 96.06 now is the resistance. Any drop below should be seen as a buying opportunity, but if it drops below this channel, then we should not be buying this market. Euro GBP, yesterday there was a clean bearish engulfing, and today there was even higher price, but yes, it was sold off immediately. On the 4 hour, I think there must be a bearish engulfing or bearish pin bar on this one. So yes, there is a bearish engulf, almost bearish pin, whatever you call it, but yes, this is a sell-off, and there's a possibility that the price will now break below this low. Then on the 4 hour, at least the market structure will be breakout. Can you check Euro USD again for me? Yes, Clara, I will have a look at it. We have a lot of time, don't worry. So 0.8666 on the 4 hour is the support. See, the price has made a higher high. It was higher than this one at least. So yes, the price has made high, higher low, and higher high. Here the price is in an uptrend, but as soon as it breaks below 0.8666, we will enter a downtrend. So keep an eye on this one. This may happen like this. Okay. This may happen like this. So keep an eye on this. GBP JPY, somebody wanted to buy this market. I told him not to buy because pound is going to be very weak in the coming days, and we can expect the price to go back to 176.42. When the pound starts appreciating again, you can very well buy the GBP JPY maybe for 5 months or 6 months, but not right now. Okay, don't buy this market right now. That's all, guys, from my side. I think euro dollar, Clara is looking for euro dollar here. The euro dollar is very clean. Any pull to the upside around 1.0635 area should be seen as an opportunity to go short in this market again, and we have a support very far around 1.0515. So we have around 60 points more to go to the downside, where we can book some profits if you are already short. And if you are looking to buy this market, I will say stay away from this market because this is a downtrending market. Do not buy this market. Clara, what is your opinion on this one? What do you think? What do you want to do with this one, euro dollar? Are you trading short term? You're trading long term? What is your plan? As per my opinion, this is going to 0.515 and maybe even lower to this level of 1.0482 also possible. And below that, it will be, I think, this level. So it will be very difficult for you to ascertain where it can go. These are the levels to the downside that I'll be checking for. Okay, these are aligning perfectly. So 1.0222 is possible. You want to buy? No, stay away. Don't even plan, please. Do not plan. The market structure is down. There is no point in buying this market. Don't marry any currency pair, Clara. I saw it broke the structure on weekly time. On weekly? So it ought to. So you want to buy a retracement? What are you talking about? Why would you buy a retracement? You want to sell the retracement, right? So you see, it just broke our market structure on the weekly. So yes, it will retrace, but you will not buy that. You will sell that when the price starts moving in the similar direction of the weekly. I think you must do something like this. Okay, you wait for the retracement to get over and then sell it again in the direction of the trend. Why you want to buy the retracement? Well, that's your choice. Always go with the trend. Don't try to go against the trend. You can be stopped out anytime. All right, guys, with this I must end this webinar now. Please give me permission to close this. I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just keep in mind to risk only 1% or less of your entire capital on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. It doesn't cost you anything, and you can leave your valuable suggestions in the comment section that is provided after the video gets published. You can also write them in the chat box provided to you. And please consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars if you are new to the channel. Have a good day. Thank you very much for your time. See you. Bye bye. Take care. Tomorrow at 1700 we will meet again.